Chicken is marinated in Schezwan sauce and other aromatics and tossed in a special batter that makes it super crunchy and delicious when deep fried. Hi everyone, welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm so excited today because I'm going to be sharing with you a new and improved recipe for chicken pakoras. These are the bomb. I have some of my friends coming over later for a full-on Asian feast, and we're going to be making these chicken pakoras and serving them, and they're going to love it. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. I have 2 pounds of boneless chicken here, and this has already been cut into small pieces. I usually love using thigh meat, but because the cook time is faster for white meat, I opted to use breast. To this, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Schezwan sauce. I have an incredible recipe for Schezwan sauce that I will share at the end of this video, as well as in the description. If you want, you can use store-bought Schezwan sauce or any other chili sauce that you like. Add 1 tablespoon of sliced green chilies, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic, followed by 2 tablespoons of finely chopped ginger. I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of spring onion bulbs. Add 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce, salt to taste, and I'm also going to add a 1/4 cup of coriander leaves. Leave this aside to marinate. If you have time, leave it to marinate overnight in your fridge. Now for the batter. I have a 1/2 cup each of cornstarch and flour. Adding about 1 cup of water or more, just a little bit at a time, I'm going to whisk this vigorously to remove all of the lumps. Just before I mix the batter in with the chicken, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and you're going to see the batter get really nice and frothy. I'm first going to add half the batter over the chicken. I'm going to mix this in, and then I'm going to add the other half, or as much as you need. You can use food coloring if you wish, but instead of color, I'm going to add another tablespoon of Schezwan sauce and another tablespoon or so of fresh coriander. I have a wok heating up with some oil, and when it's nice and hot, I'm going to drop spoonfuls of batter into the hot oil. Because I'm using a deep wok, the pakoras maintain a nice round shape. You can also shallow fry these, but these will have a flatter shape. This is raw chicken, so make sure to cook this on both sides for 5 to 7 minutes. Once ready, drain the excess oil on some kitchen towel, and I will continue cooking the rest. serve it with some chili sauce, and this is ready to enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope that you try this recipe because it really is absolutely delicious. You will be making it over and over again. If you like this recipe and this video, please make sure to share it with your family and friends. Make sure that you're subscribed, as well as make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me behind the scenes on all my social channels. I started a new handle on Instagram. Follow me at Cravings Food Adventures on Instagram, as well as on Facebook and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.